How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Multi-Section Monday, where every Monday I showcase a particular multi-section. And this Monday, it goes by the name of the Skyline 6334. If you're looking for a 4-bedroom, multi-section home that has that rustic and cabin feel, look no further. The Skyline 6334 is the home for you. As you see right here, this home is built for entertaining and for a family that is looking to take advantage of the space. It starts right here in the kitchen with the open concept. It has a very classic island right here. We went with the hickory cabinets. Gives a nice touch, and we also have hickory trim going throughout the entire home. If you see as well, over here in the built-in hutch, all of the drawers in Skyline are the soft close. Again, can't get mad, get glad. So close that right back. You got enough counter space right here. You have cabinets up above. We went with the nice stainless steel appliances. One thing that I like to call this home is 2 times. And the reason why I like to call it 2 times is because we did a couple things 2 times. You'll see right here we've got a nice built-in oven in stainless steel, but guess what? We got another one right here 2 times for you. So that way around the holidays when you're cooking, you got the turkey, got the ham going right here, and you're able to get everything going for you and your family. You'll see as well we went with a nice mosaic backsplash going all the way up to the countertops, giving a nice touch, a classic touch to that stainless steel dishwasher. And you'll see right here will flow right this way. We have several doors leading out of the home. This will be the rear door right here. And then we have a side door. So if you're going to look into a carport or garage or anything like that, this is a space to do it at. We've got a spot right here with cabinets as well. You see we got a sign right there, it's lost socks, because everybody knows you can never find a second one. And right here's your wash machine and dryer space. Again, cabinets up above, hanging space, you can put your detergents, everything you need. And then, since this is a 4-bedroom, this is great for family. This is appealing to a family. Right here, as soon as they come home from school, they hang their jackets up, put their backpacks down, tuck their shoes underneath. That way they don't go through the house and just throw them all over the place. You put that right there, you got a designated spot for everything. Again, side entry right here as well makes it great and very appealing for this home. You guys follow me back through, and we'll go right in to the dining room. Again, with the open concept, the kitchen flows right into the dining room. And you'll see we have a very large table here in the dining area. We've got a fireplace, wood burning fireplace in the dining room. So you're sitting here and you're getting nice and toasty while you eat your food. We're gonna make sure you stay that way. Went ahead and we've got the transom windows up above as well. Plenty of windows here to bring in the natural light for you and your guests. We've got the open bookcases on both sides for decor, books, anything that you would like to do right there on each side. And this will be the wing where you have the 3 bedrooms. Great option for this home. This is the first bedroom right here. And you see, we've got a good size. You can actually fit a queen size bed in here very easily. Great for kids. And then right across, we've got another one right here as well. And this one, you can fit another queen size bed, and you've got a window for them to look out onto the property. And then, right here in the center, we've got the bathroom separating from the next bedroom. We went ahead and went with the tub shower combo. So if you've got young kids, they can take a bath. If you've got older teenagers or even adults, they can take a shower. You've got the transom window up above. Again, bringing in that natural light. Hickory cabinets all the way throughout. And then the 3rd bedroom on this side of the home is a little bit larger. So this one you can fit up to a king size bed if you would like. Again, another window up front so you can look out onto the property. And you guys follow me right back through, and we'll come right around. And remember, I call this 2 times. Take a look over there. We've got the fireplace in the dining room, and we call it 2 times because one more time, Mr. Tiny's gonna bring you another fireplace in the living room, right over here, guys. You see, we've got same stone as the one in the dining area, but this time you can go ahead and mount your TV right up above there. You're good to go. You got a nice, huge window right there as well. Again, open bookcases on both sides and a great sized living area that we've put a sectional in here. You can do a couch, chair, love seat, lazy boy, whatever works for you is fine with me. And you guys come right through here and we'll go into the master wing. And when I say wing, I mean that. Because when you walk in, you can fit 2 kings in here if you need to. We've got plenty of light. We've got 2 windows right here, transom window up above. It's a great open room for you. And also got your closet right here. You guys, I hear you about not showing the closets, but I'm going to show you this one. We've got some Christmas gifts in here that we ain't put away yet, but at least you can see the sides of the nice open walk-in closet. And right across, we've got the master bath. And you'll see, got enough countertop space right here, cabinets down below, nice mirror with the transom window. And then we take it right in here to my favorite spot. We got the built-in tile shower, rain shower head, pressure head with the splash glass. So you can splish splash while you're taking a bath and you're good to go. Not gonna get it on the floor, guys. You come right back through here and you got more storage space for your linen, for your towels, and then you got the toilet right there, hidden away, out of the way, so you can handle your business in privacy. You guys follow me back through, and we'll go right back through the Skyline 6334. This is a great option for you, a great option that we have here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And right now, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's 1,880 square feet to be exact. And right now, you can get this home for around $130,000. Yes, I did not stutter, $130,000. This home could be yours looking exactly like this. And you can also say, I got my house 2 times with 2 ovens, 2 fireplaces, and Mr. Tiny brought it to you first. So I thank you guys for tuning in to another Multi-Section Monday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Let me know how I'm doing, and I'll see you guys next week.